Welcome to Janice Pronunciation Guide, where we look at how to pronounce some of the most mispronounced English words in the world. Stay tuned and subscribe to the channel to learn more pronunciation guide. Some names are simple in spelling but still worth getting exactly right, especially when they belong to globally recognized figures in music. Now let's learn how to pronounce it. The correct pronunciation for this word is Adele. Break it down like this. A soft starting sound. Adele. Rhymes with bell. Put it together. Adele. 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 And now you know it. Let's say it again. Adele. Be sure to check out more videos on how to pronounce names that are difficult to pronounce. See you in the next video. Keep learning. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.